Hi boys and girls, this week we are going to be talking about measurement and how to measure things. Because the front side of your math at your seat is so simple, you are going to have rocket math on the back, but it's okay because it's pretty simple rocket math, so that it should still take about the same amount of time. So the front side is going to be pretty simple. The first thing we're going to do is look at each box and decide which object is longest and which one is shortest. And we're going to put them in order from the longest to the shortest. So let me get my pencil and then look at the three pencils. Which one do you think is longest? Yeah, so it's that one. We're going to put a 1 in this star right here. And then which one is the next longest? Good, this one. So we're going to put a 2. And then which pencil is shortest? Yeah, this one. So we're going to put a 3. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with the bugs. Which bug is longest? Good, this one. So we're going to put a 1. Which one is the next longest? Good, 2 goes here. And then which bug do you think is the shortest? Yeah, it's this one. So we're going to put a 3. Okay, now we're going to look at the pictures below and decide how many cubes long is each object. So the way that I think is the best way to do this is to look at where the object starts, and we're just going to color in that many cubes and then count them. So since we colored those cubes in, let's count and see how many cubes. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cubes. Okay, let's look at the next pencil, because this one isn't actually lined up on the end. It starts right here. So we're going to try and color in that many cubes. So how many cubes is that? 5 cubes. Okay, let's look at the next pencil and see it starts about here and it goes all the way over to there. That would be the tip. So let's count how many cubes that one is. 7 cubes. So let's put a 7. Okay, and the next bug, let's see, it starts here, goes all the way to there, and let's count how many cubes. 7 cubes. Okay, and then the next one is like a little ant guy. He starts here, goes all the way over, and let's count how many cubes that is. 9 cubes. And the last one we're going to do is this little tiny wormy guy. So he starts about there, goes to there. How many cubes is that? 4. Very good. So now let's turn it around the back. You do have rocket math, but these are pretty simple ones. It looks like we're just doing +1, so it shouldn't take you very long. Make sure you complete the whole page and then show it to your teacher.